name is Jessica Williams. I'm a master's student in the barley breeding lab here at MSU, and I study a trait that could help Montana growers withstand drought. The trait is called stay green because the plants that have it stay greener longer during the growing season, even during what is normally the driest time of the year here in Montana. This increases yield and quality even when it's dry. I'm using what's called a biparental mapping population to study the genetics of stay green as well as its possible connection to early root growth. This population consists of 168 sibling lines that are closely related but vary for the stay green trait. I'm going to collect agronomic data on these lines out here in the field, particularly on how long they stay green, as well as yield and quality data. This I can then compare to genotyping data to learn more about the genetics of stay green. I'm also going to collect data on root traits on these lines to investigate whether there might be a link between stay green and root traits in young seedlings.
There are two methods that I use to measure early root traits in this population in the greenhouse. The first I like to call root roll-ups. In this procedure, I grow seedlings in rolls of germination paper, standing in a bucket with water. When they reach a certain stage, I unroll the paper and remove the roots. Depending on the data I want to collect, I either measure the roots by hand or image them in a tray of water on a flatbed scanner. With this method, I can easily measure things like how long the roots are, how many there are, and how many lateral roots have started to grow. The second greenhouse method is called clear pot. In this procedure, I plant seeds up against the sides of clear pots, then wrap them with foil to block out the light. The roots grow down along the sides, and after about a week, I can photograph them through the pot. I then use the photographs to measure the angle between the roots.
Having this root data to compare to the field data as well as the genotyping data will help me determine whether there's a connection between stay green and these early root traits and start uncovering what the genetic basis of these traits might be. This information could be really helpful to barley breeders in order to select for stay green and or early root growth that might be beneficial quickly and easily without having to grow the lines all the way to maturity in the field. And then they can develop varieties that are better able to withstand drought and maintain yield and quality even under these challenging dry conditions facing Montana farmers today.